Alright, what's going on, y'all? So, I don't know if you saw the last video, but I did the lights and the vents and under the hood of the wide body Camaro. So, I'm back at the house. So I'm like, man, I might as well light up the engine bay of the Vette. So, picked up just some white LEDs. And it's already got the light under the hood that comes on. So, I'm just going to put the strips kind of in the back behind everything, let the lights glow forward. And just gonna run them and connect them with this right here, with the lights that's already wired in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on that just to get something going for the Vette. So I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but LEDs are in. You can see them right there. So LEDs in. I got them both wired together. Two wires just right here. So what I'm gonna do, I got all this extra wire, so that came off of those. Hook those up. Shrink wrap the little connectors. And then you're gonna run it right along through there up into that. So alright, so here the finished product. You see, it's got the glow in the back. I think I'm gonna add another strip up front to kind of balance it out. That and replace this light with a LED. But it's the finished look though, for now. So it's got a nice glow. Pretty much see everything back there that need to be seen. And like I said, I'm replacing that with a LED. And that might be enough. Once I replace that, that might be enough to balance out their look. But just a little Sunday project.